What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Superfarm, also known as Superverse, currently trading at 32 cents guys, and has pumped up over 40% in the last 24 hours. Especially here earlier this morning it did pump up all the way up to 36 cents. So we're going to be looking at, as you guys can see here, it's pumped up quite a bit over the last couple of weeks. Is it going to carry on this way, or is it going to crash back down in value? And also going into 2024, which is literally just around the corner, what can we expect from Superverse? Is it likely to head over 50 cents, potentially even hitting the dollar mark over the next couple of months? And also looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit, or should you wait until it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So before I go any further guys, just to clear up a confusion, Superverse, Superfarm, what's the difference? So Superfarm has rebranded to Superverse, so Superverse is its new name and Superfarm is its old name. So on the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Superverse, which is here in purple at just over 15 cents. However, it is actually trading at more than double its average value here at over 32 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange lines looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So essentially an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Superverse over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading. I'm expecting it to drop down to around 30 cents, and that's where it should be at. But again, doesn't mean it's not going to pump up anymore over the next couple of hours. I am expecting it to pump up to near about 38-39 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to 30 cents towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that is going to keep pumping that way, is going to keep going in that direction. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, is for Superverse to be trading around 26 to 27 cents, so at a lower value than where it is at the moment. So yes guys, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Superverse over the next 7 to 8 days. So let me explain myself quickly. So because it's pumped up so much, it is likely to drop down in value to around just over 20 cents over the next couple of days, over the weekend and early next week, before it slowly starts to gain value up to about 27-28 cents by mid to end of next week. So this is my explanation behind why I'm predicting the crypto to take an overall minimal drop in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again guys, we are looking way too steep, but I understand why. It's taken a major increase over the last couple of weeks. In fact, let's find out. Over the last week itself, it's gone up 155%. Let's have a look at the monthly chart. 300% up in the last month guys. This is absolutely crazy, but Just because it's gone up 300% in the last month doesn't mean that it's going to go up another 300% in the next month or two. Of course not. What I'm expecting is Superverse to take an overall drop in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late January 2024, Superfarm or Superverse should be trading around 20 cents is what I'm expecting. Yes, it is going to be quite of a hit or a drop back from where it is at the moment, but that is the most realistic prediction I can think of, because we can't really expect Superverse to be, keep pumping up 300% for the next 2 months. That makes about 600-700%, which is not realistic at all. But because it's already done that and it is overvalued, and it is right for it to drop back down in value over the next couple of weeks and trade around 20 cents by early next year is what my predictions are. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone we need to hit 54 cents in target, which I'm not expecting from Superverse at the moment. Potentially Q2, Q3 of 2024 we may be able to head into the green zone and potentially even hit the dollar mark towards the end of next year. So in about a year's time, I'm going to have to give it about 12 to 14 months for it to hit the dollar mark, which is reasonable because it depends on the crypto market, and we also have to take the dips into consideration as well, because it's not going to be all the time hitting green candles and so on and so on. It is likely to take a little crash in between as well. So the dollar mark should be hit by the end of next year is what my predictions are. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by nearly 70% in the last 24 hours, making it $85 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as there's more people trading the crypto, more buyers as well as more sellers, as is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. Let's have a look. Yes, as you guys can see, #1 top gainer. So it is getting an insane amount of attention right now. So let me know in the comment section down below when is Superfarm or Superverse likely to hit the dollar mark. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And before I end the video guys, I just want to give a quick announcement for my Telegram group chat, which is live. The link is in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for 50% off, usually $29.99. Using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off to make it $14.99. However, this is limited to a certain number of members and for a limited time only. What happens once you sign up to the Telegram group chat is you'll get put into 2 group chats. The first one is just a general chat where I'll be showing you guys predictions on mainly Bitcoin, to show you guys what to expect from the crypto market, what to predict and so on, and answering your questions that you guys put in the group chat, like predictions and analysis and so on. And the second group chat is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. But do bear in mind that I'm not a short-term trader, I am a long-term investor, so I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. But yeah, link is in the description box down below if any of you guys are interested. And back to Superfarm. That is pretty much it guys. Superfarm, it's going to be quite of a up and down ride, but the overall outcome over the next 2 months, as I mentioned, seems to be more on the negative side. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, make sure to comment down below as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.